KFC's secret recipe is so protected it's locked in a vault with motion sensors and 24/7 security. But here's the twist. Do you think it's truly a secret or just clever marketing? Today we'll uncover the fascinating story of KFC, from its humble beginnings to a global fried chicken empire. Welcome to How It's Manufactured. Fried chicken is more than just food in America. It's a cultural obsession. And when it comes to crispy, juicy perfection, one name reigns supreme: Kentucky Fried Chicken. Today on How It's Manufactured, we're exploring the inspiring story of Colonel Harlan Sanders, the guarded secret behind their 11 herbs and spices, and the innovative techniques that make their chicken so finger-lickin' good. Harlan Sanders' life was filled with challenges. After his father passed away when he was just 6, he had to leave school to support his family. Over the years, he worked as a farmer, a steam engine stoker, and even a lawyer. But none of these ventures brought him lasting success. In 1930, Sanders took over a gas station in Corbin, Kentucky. While it was primarily a business for fueling cars, Sanders noticed hungry travelers passing through and decided to cook meals. Using basic kitchen tools, he served up fried chicken, and it became a hit. By 1936, his cooking was so popular that the governor of Kentucky awarded him the honorary title of Colonel. But Sanders' journey wasn't without setbacks. In 1956, a new highway rerouted traffic away from his restaurant, forcing him to sell it at a loss. Most people would have given up, but at the age of 65, with nothing but his Social Security check and a secret recipe, Sanders started over. Determined, he hit the road, pitching his recipe to restaurant owners across America. To prove the quality of his chicken, he cooked it for them on site. It worked. In 1952, the first KFC franchise opened in Salt Lake City, Utah, and the iconic bucket soon became a symbol of delicious fried chicken. Would you have started over at 65? What would you have done in Colonel Sanders' shoes? Let us know in the comments. And while you're at it, why don't you subscribe if you haven't already? So, what made Colonel Sanders' fried chicken so unique? The answer lies in the blend of 11 herbs and spices, a recipe Sanders perfected in the early 1960s. The recipe is so valuable that it's split into 2 parts, with each half stored in separate locations. Together, they're locked inside a vault equipped with motion detectors and 24/7 security at KFC's headquarters. But is this secrecy all part of the magic or just clever marketing? Some people claim to have cracked the code, suggesting spices like paprika, oregano, and garlic powder. What do you think? Share your guesses in the comments below. Step 1. Sourcing and inspection. KFC's chicken starts its journey on carefully selected farms that prioritize animal welfare, sustainability, and quality. KFC is committed to ethical practices, aiming for 100% cage-free chickens by 2026. They're even the second largest buyer of chicken globally, right after McDonald's. At processing plants, the chicken undergoes over 50 quality checks to ensure it meets KFC's exacting standards. From farm to fryer, every step is monitored for freshness and safety. Step 2. Store inspection. Once the chicken arrives at the KFC restaurant, it goes through another critical step: inspection by the kitchen staff. Every batch is carefully checked to ensure it meets KFC's high-quality standards. Staff examine the color, texture, and smell of the chicken to confirm its freshness. The chicken is then stored in temperature-controlled refrigerators to maintain its quality. Step 3. Breading and the 7-fold technique. Next, the chicken is hand-breaded using the 7-fold technique. After being dipped in cold water, it's coated in a seasoned flour blend and folded 7 times to ensure a consistent, crispy coating. Step 4. Pressure frying. The final cooking step is pressure frying, a technique invented by Colonel Sanders himself. Unlike traditional frying, pressure frying locks in moisture and reduces cooking time to just 15 minutes. The result? Juicy chicken with a perfectly golden, crispy crust. KFC isn't just an American favorite, it's a global sensation. Every country adds its own twist to the menu to reflect local tastes and preferences. In Japan, KFC is a must-have for Christmas celebrations, complete with chicken buckets and cake. In South Korea, Yangnyeom chicken, a spicy sweet fried chicken, is a crowd pleaser. In India, they serve chicken biryani combos alongside their famous fried chicken. And in the Philippines, you'll find KFC paired with Filipino spaghetti, a sweeter, cheesier twist on the classic dish. What's the most unique KFC menu item you've tried, or what would you love to taste from another country? Let us know in the comments. While delighting taste buds worldwide, KFC is also taking steps to protect the planet. The company is working to reduce its carbon footprint by 46% by 2030, focusing on water conservation, waste management, and sustainable packaging. By improving their environmental impact and reducing antibiotic use in chicken farming, KFC is aligning with modern consumer expectations for sustainability. Do you think fast food chains are doing enough to protect the planet? What steps would you like to see them take? From Colonel Sanders' incredible resilience to the guarded secret recipe and innovative cooking techniques, KFC's story is one of passion and persistence. It's no wonder their chicken has become a global favorite. Thanks for watching how it's manufactured. If you enjoyed learning about KFC, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more behind-the-scenes stories of how your favorite things are made. See you next time. YouTube thinks you'll like this video next.